Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Caitlin. I'm an American writer living in beautiful Sydney, Australia. And sometimes living so far away from home, I get lonely, I get homesick, and I miss good old American comfort food. And whenever homesickness hits and I need something from home, that's when I place an order with USA Foods. This video is not sponsored, by the way. This is the go-to place for Americans to get their American comfort food fix. And yes, there are places like Easy Mart that are popping up now that have more and more American food, but sometimes you just need something that you can't really get in a convenience store. They do have an actual shop in Melbourne, but because I live so far away, I have to actually place an order and have it shipped. So we're going to open this order from USA Foods together. So grab a Bicky, grab a cuppa, and let's get right into this video. They put so many packing peanuts in here, it's insane. And they go absolutely everywhere. So first thing I got was an iced honey bun. These are so good. I mean, this is like, these things are a lot of calories, you guys. One of these is 490 calories. It's like practically half a day's worth of calories if you're not actually exercising and, you know, doing enough to burn all the sugar off. But these are so, so good. On top of that, I got Hostess cupcakes. I was in a little bit of a Hostess kick. This is what I get for ordering food when I'm hungry. 330 calories, but I love these. I went and got these every single time I went to a deli, and I can't really find anything that sort of compares here in Australia. And I know as soon as I say that, people are going to jump on and be like, it's the preservatives, that's why it tastes different. Like, it's tough to find a chocolate iced cupcake like this in shops. Like, I know they sell cupcakes, I know they sell iced goods. Something about this just hits different. I also got a couple packs of Gushers. I absolutely love these. I was obsessed with these as a kid, and I'm so glad that they actually sell them in like bigger bags now. So I know everyone's going to jump on here and be like, oh my god, that's so much sugar, that's so much junk food. Yeah, you're not really going to be able to get a lot of fresh food. You can get ingredients at USA Foods, but obviously if I'm getting fresh food, if I'm getting actual groceries, I'm getting those here. I'm not ordering those through USA Foods. So this is just a straight up junk food order, basically. I'll say when they send anything in glass, they wrap it up nice. Oh, is this what I think it is? Oh my god, so I got this as a joke. I showed Mark, he's like, there's no way this is a real soda. So it is Lemonade. The top it says, join the party, get hammer and sickled, a taste worth standing in line for. I have no idea if this is any good or not. Also says on the back, a party in every bottle. So I have no idea what this is, if it's any good. Mark and I are going to open it and try it because it's ridiculous. It's novelty, but it's funny. So you guys are going to laugh at this. Martinelli's sparkling apple juice. Now, when you're a kid and all the adults are drinking like Prosecco and whatnot, this is what they always pull out for kids. It is sparkling apple juice. And I know you can get sparkling apple juice here, but it doesn't taste the same. This is a little bit sweeter, but it's also a little bit more tart. This has a little bit more of a candy apple taste to it than the ones here in Australia do. Just wanted to splurge a little because I wanted something that tastes a little bit like home. Probably have this on Thanksgiving. Roasted sunflower seeds. So not only do I love these, but I also bought these for Mark because there's a difference between sunflower seeds here and then sunflower seeds in Australia. These are like shorter, fatter sunflower seeds, whereas the ones that you get here, they're really long, they're really thin, skinny, and I feel like you don't get as much of a seed compared to these. So for Thanksgiving, I needed these. There are a couple little dishes that we'll make. We do Thanksgiving, like a small little thing for just the two of us. One thing I always make is green bean casserole, and in order to do that, you need crispy French's fried onions. Can I make fried onions on my own? Yes. Will they taste the same? Absolutely not. With my luck, I would end up burning half of them anyway. So I did get a container of these for Thanksgiving. I'm definitely not going to use the whole container. These will probably be Thanksgiving for this year and next year if they hold out. Snapple is like such an iconic drink over in the States. Everybody I knew grew up with Snapple. They used to come in glass containers. It wasn't these plastic bottles. And they used to have a little metal cap on them that had facts underneath. And I remember I was in 7th grade and my teacher, Sister Dorothy, actually used to have like a little Snapple cap quiz at the end of the day where she'd ask like 3 random Snapple facts. And if anybody got it right, they'd get like, I don't know, a lollipop or something like that. But yeah, Snapple is so good. They didn't have that many flavors, and I don't remember having watermelon lemonade before, so I got this. Otherwise, I would have just got the regular iced tea or peach tea. I forgot I did get the regular tea. Never mind, I ordered this like weeks ago and totally forgot what I even ordered, so that's on me. Their iced tea, it's so good. So last of the small items, I got a pack of sour Skittles. Now, sour Skittles in the States are so different to the ones here. Like the ones in the States, one, they're way more sour. They have a Sour Patch Kid kind of coating on them. And honestly, I just think they taste better. I feel like sour Skittles here taste practically like regular Skittles. These are completely different. And this is what I am most excited for. I ordered a mystery box. Typically, I never do these for websites because obviously it's a mystery box. You have no idea what you're going to get. And I feel like they can be such a waste of money sometimes. But we're talking about food. We're talking about American food. There's got to be at least one thing in here that I'm really excited to see. And this is a decent sized box, so let's open it up. Just dig in and see what we got. So, cotton candy. Mike and Ike's orange and cherry cotton candy. I have never had cotton candy in a bag like this. I have no idea what to expect, but you know what? It's something different. It gives me a chance to try something I wouldn't have tried before. I see a box of something. Ooh, German chocolate cake mix. So, love a good German chocolate cake. I don't know if this includes any icing or not. I still just see packing peanuts, but I have no problem making a chocolate cake at home. Totally happy with that. Jelly Belly lollipops. I had no idea they made lollipops. These are in bubblegum, berry blue, and very cherry flavor. Not bad for a little sweet treat. Okay. Nerds gummy clusters. You can get these everywhere in Australia now. I feel like that's kind of a letdown because I could probably get these for like half the price in a Woolies compared to ordering them on USA Foods. And they're exactly the same. Bubblegum. So I'm not a huge bubblegum person. I can totally see why a lot of people would want these. And these are fruit flavored. So there's watermelon, apple, and grape. I've always had issues with cavities and gum. I'm always worried something's going to pull or something's going to fall out. So maybe I'll have one of these once in a while, but not something I'm super excited to see. Yes. Airheads bars. I love Airheads, you guys. Oh my god, these were a childhood staple. Like, you used to be able to get small ones for 10 cents and full-size ones for like 25 cents at the deli when I was growing up. So good. Hold up. We've got frosting. So, Betty Crocker's rich and creamy chocolate frosting to go with our German chocolate cake. How perfect. Zweet's Sour Belts in pink lemonade. I've never heard of this brand. I've never heard of these. They just look like sour striped candies. This box keeps going. I got to the last two things. A Hershey's bar. I'm happy. I'm good. And more bubblegum. This one is pink lemonade bubblegum. So I'm sensing a bit of a lemonade theme to this box. But that was actually really fun. These are really cute. Was it worth 50 bucks? If there was everything in here that I wanted, yeah, it would be worth 50 because obviously you're putting things together, it'd be a little bit cheaper than ordering things individually. But between two things of bubblegum, which I know I'm not really going to enjoy, and the Jelly Belly lollipops, those aren't really my thing. So overall, was it worth it? Probably not, but still really cute experience. These things will definitely get eaten. They'll definitely get used, don't worry. Even if it's not like what I was super excited to get, still worth it. Plus now I get to make chocolate cake tonight. So that's it for this video, you guys. If you liked it, please hit the like and subscribe button down below. It really, really does help support me and help support this channel, and I will see you all in my next video.